welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce SCN. For those of you watching any of my videos for the first time, this video is going to be a makeup tutorial kind of video, or a makeup video, or more like a get ready with me chit chat kind of video. So yeah, so today I'm getting my makeup inspiration from one of my fave on YouTube. Her name is Fumi Desalu Vold. I hope I'm getting that right. Anyway, so I recently bumped into her page a few days ago, and I mean, I love I love her vibe. Then she does this blush thing with her cheekbone. I found it a bit weird, but I'm like, okay, this is interesting, I would like to try it. So I'm going to be doing something like that. So I'm going to need to apply some rose water. I like to set my makeup with rose water, and I also use that on my skin. The other day I was looking through my analytics on YouTube, and I found out that last month I had up to 1,000+ views. I know, baby steps. But I was encouraged. I felt encouraged because, you know, when I started YouTube and I found out that I needed 4,000 watch time hours and I think about 1,000 subscribers, it was very discouraging. But so I decided not to look at the numbers. I just decided to, you know, have fun. But going through my video analytics and seeing that, I felt encouraged. I mean, I don't know if I should be feeling happy, kind of, because I don't really, I'm still trying to understand this analytic thing. I'm still trying to understand how YouTube analytics works. But at the same time, I'm trying to like push. I know I'm not that consistent, but I just decided not to look at the numbers and just have fun with it, you know. So guys, I just finished highlighting my brow off camera. It may look messy, but trust the process, darling. We're getting there. So like I said, what was I saying? Speaking of YouTube, I'm trying these days to put in as much videos as I can, you know, to grow, and hopefully I can't wait to start making money from YouTube someday. Speaking of my fave, you know, the one inspiring this makeup look, so I came across a video on Instagram where someone was doing something like a bra hack tutorial. It wasn't for me. Then I went through the comment section and I saw a particular comment where someone was like, oh, Fumi originated this hack, you know, like this is Fumi's idea. And I was like, who is Fumi, or something like that. So I saw the handle and then I went over to her page. But like how she talks, I fell in love with the hacks, the tutorials she was doing, and most especially the sister to sister talk, and also yeah, her makeup, you know, her style, everything. So, you know, she gives me that black magic, that black girl magic vibes. And so I decided I fell in love with one of her makeup tutorials, and I decided I was going to try that. You guys, my makeup is messy, but bear with me. I'm not going to make my makeup as conspicuous as hers, because you know there's some kind of makeup you do behind the camera, you know, the ones that pop. I'm going out in public and I don't want to look like a clown, so I'm just going to try and play around with some colors instead of using some popping colors like Fumi would, I would use some nude. But you know, just to give you an idea of what she does, going in with pink, and I'm just going to apply that like underneath my brows, which is weird for me because usually I always play it safe by using neutral colors like cream, you know, brown, nude colors. I'm just going to bring that out a little bit out of my eyebrow or my crease. I'm just going to bring it out here to like the beginning of my cheekbones. I'm still going to take some up slightly, you know, just spread it so you know where the blush is starting from. Now I'm going to blend that in some more. You know, the thing about makeup is just blend. Just make sure you blend properly so that like whatever you apply does not stand out like lines. It looks animated. I've seen some people like that with their contour, everything just standing out like lines. They look like, I don't know, to me I just feel they look like animations. Like, now you don't want to look like something from Toy Story, do you? Blend. So just before I go to the other eye, I'm going to set some powder. Let's continue. It's beginning to come up, flows like from your brow, like from the eye area, looking like petals. You can see I brought it from my eyes down to my cheeks, to my cheekbone. I'm just putting a little bit so I don't look like a clown. Now I'm still going to blend it up to my forehead area, just like the corner here. You can almost not see anything, like just slightly, and I've not even applied foundation yet. Now I want to go in to put another shade of blush. I'm going in with orange. One thing I learned from her tutorial video was that she used colors of the same family. So I've applied some here, and I'm going into the other cheek. I'm using colors from my eyeshadow palette. So this orange has a little bit of shimmers, as you can see. So I just blend it into the pink I applied earlier. Into my eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply a little bit of primer. So I just applied that as base so that my eyeshadow can be, you know, can be more obvious and it sits well. I'm going with neutral. So let me quickly add, I know I may not be using the right brushes for this makeup, because left to me alone I could use one brush or one or two brushes to do all my makeup. So I'm not sure I even know which brush is for which. I just use what I'm comfortable with. So I'm going with neutral colors. I'm applying the lighter shade to the middle of my eyes, just to the middle. I'm using this lighter shade. I use this to highlight. So I use this palette to contour and highlight. But you can improvise with anything when making up. So I don't really follow the rules, to be honest. spread it out. Take it in and spread it out. I'm done applying my foundation. I'm just going to put some glue on these lashes. But guys, look at these lashes. I don't even know what brand it is. It's a random lashes I bought on the streets. And it's so light and cute. Ooh. So cute. So I'm just going to apply some glue on that. This looks cute, don't you think? I think it's cute. What do you think? Do we leave? Do we love? I leave, I love. And the blush thing going on here is Fumi's kind of makeup, which I'm beginning to like because blush gives this youthful and sexy look. So I am about leaving for church, so I